Hey guys, let's get a double 11 skin. This is Arkneil Gaming. And we got X-Boards Tesla Maniac because that's the only hero I use among the four. I do not use 1-1, Hayabusa, and also Gusion. Then I have spare 400 tokens, so what I did was get the most expensive skin available. Since there's no limited skin, I will get Lightborn Tigreal or Tigreal, whichever you prefer. Now I have a good skin for Tigreal. Thank you for watching. For live stream on ML, you can follow my Facebook page, Arkneil Gaming. Thank you and bye-bye.